If you love Christmas, please don't scroll. You're about to learn how to make the best and the most beautiful Christmas package, Christmas paper bags. So grab your cardboard or craft paper and let's get crafting. Just follow the video, it is very easy to make. Fold your paper, fold it into half, gum it together. When you have done that, mark whatever the inches you want or the centimeter you want the base of your paper bag to be, how wide you want it to be. Fold it over this way, then you form a triangle. Can you see the way I'm forming the triangle? Form a little triangle that way, then you open it up, then you fold it in as such. After you have folded it in, then you fold a little over the triangle, then you fold it and make it overlap. Okay, so then you apply gum just as you can see in the video. So just fold the craft paper as you can see and make sure you can get that V shape at the base of your craft paper. Then you now fold it over to get something like a line. Just fold it over this way, then you open it up. Now you have 3 crisp lines, so make sure the one in the center goes in while you fold the one on the outside. Do you understand it? So this is for you to get a stable paper bag. So open up on both sides. This is what you will get, a paper bag. Then the next thing you will do is to measure the length of the bag so that you can fix your handle. You get a hole puncher or paper puncher, then you punch, measure before you punch so that you can have a stable handle. You punch, then you add your handle. You have created the most beautiful paper bag that you can use for gifting your friends and family this Christmas. Attach your handles and do well to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and leave a comment. Then the big thing is you can customize your paper bag. Here we're going to customize using DTF. So all you need to do is to print your Christmas design and on DTF, and then you press it on your paper bag. Your design can be get from Pinterest. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button.